Hello, my friend. Do you know how farmers can plant and harvest millions of tons of cotton? Join me on today's journey to find out, and don't forget to leave a number 1 in the comments section so I know you'll be joining me until the end of the video. At Ashwood Farm, the fields of pristine white cotton are getting ready to don a new coat under the careful care of humans and the invaluable support of modern machinery from John Deere, a trusted partner in agriculture. From the moment the John Deere tractors start, their powerful sound echoes across the fields like a welcoming song for the new growing season. The extraordinary power of modern technology penetrates the soil, tilling and aerating every inch, creating the perfect foundation for future cotton buds. Continuing their noble mission, the John Deere tiller glides over the fields, skillfully softening the soil, turning them into a gentle cradle for the budding cotton seeds. With the invaluable support of John Deere, each plot of land is meticulously and accurately prepared, ready to welcome the green shoots as they emerge. Come to Ashwood Farm, where you will witness firsthand the life of modern agriculture, where John Deere technology is sowing the seeds for abundant harvests. The John Deere 8R410 is not just a modern tractor, it's also an icon of advancement with its special 4-wheel gear system. Thanks to this system, the John Deere 8R410 possesses outstanding power, flexible maneuverability, and precise steering, enabling it to conquer any terrain with ease. The combination of the John Deere 8R410 and the Lumpkin Vari Diamond creates a perfect duo, delivering optimal work efficiency. Designed to till and cultivate the soil, it creates a uniform surface ready for seeding or planting. The Lumpkin Vari Diamond is constructed from premium materials, ensuring durability and operational efficiency. With its precise and efficient operation, the Lumpkin Vari Diamond contributes to increasing productivity and the quality of the agricultural environment. Continuing the success of the John Deere 8R410 and the Lumpkin Vari Diamond, John Deere brings forth the next perfect pair, the John Deere 8245R and the Exact Emerge 1725. The perfect combination of power, precision, and efficiency of these two machines promises resounding success for farmers. The John Deere 8245R is a powerful workhorse, providing abundant energy for all operations and helping optimize seed planting efficiency. Smooth, gentle operation and easy control empower farmers to master any terrain. The Exact Emerge 1725 ensures uniform and consistent seed planting, minimizing seed waste and maximizing productivity. With high precision, it ensures seeds are planted at the right position and ideal depth. Since the seeds are planted into the soil, A new journey begins, carrying with it the hope of sprouting and growth. To nurture the cotton plants to grow vigorously, meticulous care is required, including watering, fertilizing, and protecting them from pests and diseases. Let's explore how farmers apply creativity and advanced technology to tend to their crops. Instead of traditional methods, farmers now rely on the advanced technology of fly spray aviation to water their crops accurately and uniformly. The intelligent control system of fly spray aviation allows for flexible adjustment of water quantity and spraying range, meeting the specific needs of each type of crop. Looking at the lush green rows of cotton plants thriving across the fields, we can see the tangible effectiveness of this technology. This is truly a significant step forward, bringing optimal productivity and efficiency to the agricultural industry. You are witnessing the birth of the Smart Siphon, a modern irrigation system that completely replaces the manual siphon method, bringing a breakthrough in efficiency and irrigation productivity. The Smart Siphon applies advanced technology, automatically sensing the water level on the ground and adjusting the irrigation process accurately. When the water level drops below the minimum level, the system will automatically activate irrigation, providing sufficient water for the crops. Conversely, when the water level reaches the desired level, the system will automatically stop irrigation to prevent water wastage and flooding. The highlight of the Smart Siphon is its flexibility in adjusting water flow. Users can customize the amount of water for different types of crops, ensuring the appropriate water supply for each plant's growth needs. As a result, the system not only contributes to increasing productivity and the quality of the harvest, but also effectively supports water and energy conservation. To ensure optimal growth for cotton plants, meticulous care is extremely important. In this process, the Kisan Craft KKIC 400D electric grass cutter plays a crucial role as a reliable assistant. The Kisan Craft KKIC 400D is equipped with a powerful 4-cylinder diesel engine with a displacement of 406 cc and a power of 9 horsepower. As a result, the machine operates smoothly, steadily, and energy efficiently, ensuring high work efficiency for long periods without encountering engine issues. Its outstanding advantages lie not only in the engine power but also in its effective grass-cutting capability on all terrains. Its compact and flexible design allows the machine to move easily and penetrate hard-to-reach areas, thoroughly eliminating weeds and providing the perfect growing environment for cotton plants. In large-scale farms, the task of tilling requires a more efficient and productive solution. And right here, Orthman's 12-row tiller machine will be the perfect choice, bringing convenience and optimal efficiency. Equipped with sharp tiller blades and flexible depth adjustment capability, Orthman's 12-row tiller effortlessly creates clean and uniform rows on the soil surface, improving soil circulation, enhancing water drainage, and supplying oxygen to plant roots, thereby promoting robust plant growth. A notable feature of the Orthman 12-row tiller is its ability to adapt to various terrain conditions, From flat plains to rugged hills, the machine can still operate smoothly and effectively, ensuring that the tilling process is optimized across all terrains. As a result, farmers can rest assured that their cotton fields will be perfectly prepared, providing a solid foundation for strong plant growth. The beauty of cotton plants lies not only in their vibrant flowers but also in the miraculous journey from seed sowing to harvest. The time for cotton plants to flower and be harvested depends on various factors, including plant variety, environmental conditions, and care techniques. The harvesting time also depends on the type of plant and the maturity of the flowers. For example, for cotton flowers, it typically takes from 100 to 150 days for the cotton to mature and be ready for harvest. Cotton harvesting in Australia has undergone a revolution with the innovation of technology and the adoption of modern harvesting machinery. Australian farmers are now leveraging advanced harvesting equipment to streamline processes and enhance productivity. The cotton harvesting industry in Australia has witnessed a remarkable breakthrough with the advent of advanced technology and modern machinery. Thanks to these innovations, Australian farmers can now optimize processes and significantly increase harvesting efficiency. A highlight of modern cotton harvesting technology is the intelligent harvesting machines designed with advanced features, ensuring that the harvesting process is quick, precise, and efficient. The machines automatically cut and separate the cotton from the plants carefully, minimizing loss and damage to the cotton. Smart sensor systems integrated into the machines help adjust speed and cutting pressure according to each stage of cotton plant development, ensuring that the cotton is harvested at the perfect ripeness without compromising quality. Additionally, the quality of harvested cotton is improved, meeting the market demand in the global cotton fiber production industry. After harvesting, the vibrant cotton flowers are transported to processing plants, where they begin a journey of miraculous transformation. Here, the cotton undergoes a series of intricate processing steps to remove impurities and refine each cotton fiber, providing a pure source of material for the textile industry. A crucial step in the cotton processing chain is seed separation. Cotton harvested with seeds typically requires seed separation, which plays a pivotal role in creating the quality of cotton fiber. Thanks to the application of modern technology, seed separation machines, along with advanced mechanical processing methods, are used, ensuring that the seed separation process is accurate and efficient. As a result, each cotton fiber is completely separated from the seeds, delivering the highest level of purity and quality. The miraculous transformation journey from raw cotton to pure cotton fiber is a testament to the power of technology, creativity, and respect for nature. Originating from the sun-drenched Mediterranean region, artichoke, also known as globe artichoke, brings a unique beauty along with its amazing benefits, becoming a symbol of health and tranquility for many. At the end of July or early August, when the radiant rays of summer still linger, the artichoke harvesting season officially begins. This is the ideal time to harvest the plump artichoke buds, which contain the full flavor and nutrients. To harvest artichokes properly, you need to gently cut off the bud along with about 8 cm of the stem. Harvesting should be done carefully to avoid crushing the bud, which could affect its quality. The opportunity to visit Ocean Mist Farms in California, a leading artichoke producer, was truly a memorable experience for me. As soon as I stepped in, I could feel the pride and dedication they put into growing and caring for artichoke plants. With nearly 100 years of experience, Ocean Mist Farms has devoted meticulous attention to selecting varieties and caring for artichoke plants. Their commitment and emphasis on quality truly impressed me. Under the guidance of the tour guide, I was led through lush artichoke fields, where each artichoke was nurtured with precision and careful attention. The meticulous harvesting process, selecting only perfectly ripe artichokes, is a testament to the passion and dedication of the Ocean Mist Farms team. While boasting a grand appearance and superb quality, the journey of nurturing these artichokes here is far from simple. It's a meticulous and dedicated process to ensure optimal growth. Stepping into the fields, I was drawn to the care and affection the farmers put into each artichoke plant. Under the radiant golden sunlight, the diligent farmers worked alongside modern tillage machines. These are indispensable tools in the artichoke care process. Thanks to these machines, weeds are efficiently removed, creating conditions for the soil to be soft, airy, and conducive to the most vibrant artichoke growth. In parallel with soil tillage, a modern irrigation system also plays a crucial role in providing water for the artichoke plants. This system is automatically and intelligently adjusted based on data collected from soil moisture sensors and weather conditions. As a result, the amount of water supplied to the plants is always appropriately ensured, avoiding water shortages or irrigation wastage. Do you know the name of this handy helper? It's called the bug vac, a unique and indispensable device in the process of caring for artichoke plants. Equipped with a powerful fan system and strong suction force, the bug vac swiftly and effectively removes pests and insects clinging to artichoke buds. Would you like to join the vibrant artichoke festival held annually here in May? It's a fantastic opportunity for you to immerse yourself in the lively atmosphere, explore the local culture, and savor delicious dishes made from artichokes. Join me on an adventure to explore this marvelous artichoke processing line where fresh, delicious artichokes are transformed into high-quality products. With its unique and efficient processing machinery, Ferrara brings convenience and high quality to the artichoke industry. These advanced devices are specially designed to handle and prepare artichokes in a professional and speedy manner. Standing before these smart machines, I couldn't help but be amazed by their efficiency and precision. Designed around the artichoke, the machines automatically remove outer leaves and trim the stem perfectly and swiftly. Each step in the process unfolds smoothly and continuously, ensuring that every artichoke retains its freshness and uniformity. The Continuous Cooking Vessel Mod CLV20P is the ideal choice for the artichoke cooking process and other foods such as hearts, brine, bases, and artichokes with stems. This vessel ensures that the quality of the product is preserved throughout the cooking process, delivering delicious flavor and retaining nutritional value. Let's explore the meticulous and professional journey of creating high-quality, delicious, and long-lasting artichoke products by Grisai Specialit pour la Restauration. Immediately after harvest, artichokes are carefully selected, and only the freshest ones are chosen for the production process. They are thoroughly washed to completely remove any dirt and impurities, ensuring food safety and hygiene. A unique aspect of the production process is the application of advanced cold pressing technology. Thanks to this method, artichokes are finely chopped while preserving their fresh flavor and maximizing the retention of nutritional value. The journey of exploring artichokes continues with Puma Conserve, one of the leading producers of high-quality artichokes. Here, they possess modern processing lines, professional production processes, and a commitment to delivering premium artichoke products to consumers. As a result, the processes are fully automated, ensuring high accuracy and consistency in each product, preserving the fresh flavor, natural color, and abundant nutritional value of artichokes. Ocean Mist Farms' automated packaging line acts as the perfect guardian for artichokes, preserving their fresh flavor and ensuring product safety. The automated packaging machine is designed with modern technology, operating intelligently to gently package artichokes, minimizing collisions during transportation. This ensures that artichokes maintain their attractive appearance and delicious quality.